Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a pattern titled Whimsy pattern 2, second pattern in Whimsy, and this is a series under the granny squares. I worked this with baby clay cake yarn with blue color shades. It's a self-striping yarn and I use my 5mm hook. So without much delay, let us go into the video friends. Chain 6, slip stitch and join to form a ring. Secure it. Now 2 DC cluster we need to make. You can make chain 3. This one chain we have already done. 2, 3, chain 3, 2 DC cluster, 7 more times. So place chain 3, 2 DC cluster, totally 8. We need 8 2 DC clusters and 8 chain 3 spaces. Okay, continue, finish it. I shall also complete and get back. I come to the end of the round here. I chain 3, now slip stitch to the first cluster and now slip stitch to the chain space. Chain 1 is not counted. Make a single crochet, chain 5, single crochet and the next chain 3 space, again chain 5. Continue the entire round in this manner. Chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, all around this round. We have come to the end of the round here. Now I need to bring the chain to the center of the next chain space. So chain 2 and a treble in the first single crochet that we did here. Now the chain will come to the center of this chain 5 space. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in the very same stitch. And in the next chain space, place DC chain 1 8 times and DC. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 8 times. There will be 9 double crochets and 8 chain 1 spaces. So count and go. You're likely to miss 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and chain 1 and 1 DC we have to place. So 9 DCs here. Now in the next chain space, place a single crochet. So continue this. Single crochet in 1 chain space, 9 double crochet separated by 8 chains, 8 chain 1 spaces. So continue this. So we are creating the corners with 9 double crochets with 8 chain 1 spaces. So continue and complete. I shall also continue and complete, get back to you. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the single crochet, join. Now you need to make a treble here. So you can make the standing treble, pull up the loop to the height of a treble, twist once, insert in the same stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through this yarn and behind. Now you'll have 2 loops on the hook. Again yarn over, pull through the first yarn and take that yarn behind the second loop. So this has come to the height of a treble. Chain 1. Make a double in next chain 1 space. chain 1, 1 double in next. So you're going to place 3 such doubles. Next 3 chain 1 spaces, you're going to place 1 double each separated by a chain 1. Now chain 1, 2 DC cluster in the next chain 1 space. Chain 3, 2 DC cluster in the next chain 1 space. For 2 DC cluster, 2 incomplete DCs and then complete the set. Chain 1. So 1 DC under chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 DC, chain 1, 1 DC. Okay. Now chain 1 and place a treble on the single crochet. Chain 1, continue the stitch pattern from treble to the corner, treble to the corner, continue in the same sequence of stitches on the other 3 sides too. I shall also complete and get back to you. We have come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the first stitch of the 4th chain of chain 4. Now take a slip stitch to the next chain space. And chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Place 2 single crochets in this chain space. In the next chain space, 2 single crochets. So every chain space on the side you're going to place 2 single crochets. Now we have reached the corner. In the corner, 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets. And again on the sides, every chain 1 space, place 2 single crochets. In the corner, 2 single, chain 2, so 2 single. So continue in this stitch pattern and complete the round. We've come to the end of the round here. Now cut the yarn, pull it out and make the invisible join. This is the first single crochet, this is the second single crochet. Pull it out through from behind, you pick up and pull through. And the back loop of the last finished stitch. Here we go, we have finished the Whimsy pattern 2 granny square. So it will require blocking, at least stretching it requires. So and set it right, the sides will get set. So here we go. Excuse me. Hope you enjoyed this stitch, friends. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Till then, bye. Have a great day.